talk about the Westliner Tesla Model Y for the 5-seater mats. These are the weather mats we have. They are five pieces and they're easy to install. And so let's go ahead and try it out. Well, first I'm going to show you what it looks like without the weather mats. So again, 5-seater, no mats whatsoever. So this will be fun to install, and I'll show you what it looks like afterward. But there's our carpet pretty much, and then I'll show you the front too. Here's the front. So can't wait to try our weather liners. And again, it's a 5-piece set and it comes with everything and it's easy to install. All these are gonna have very similar trends, so I'm just gonna place this one in. This is for our front, and when you get the 5-piece set, it's all gonna be like this, but just as easy as that. There you go. And it lines really nice on the corners, and it has like a little cushion type thing. But overall, very nice so far. Let's try our other items. I really like this added detail where it has the Westliners, like the name. Really cool.
Installing the Westliner in the back of the trunk in the bottom. Alright, it fits in there nicely. You can tuck the tag in. It looks really good. It fits nice and firm, and it looks really nice. And it feels really nice.
Okay, so this is probably the biggest piece in the 5-piece set. Again, they're waterproof, really easy to clean, and really easy to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it because it's like pretty much my size. And that's pretty much it. And then what you want to do is just kind of flatten them down. Just get them in there all snug. And then just let it sit for a little bit. And then you can give it a try. This is the driver's side mat. It looks a little bit intimidating, but let's go ahead and try it. This one's always intimidating, right? Hold on, maybe we need to tear back a little bit just to give us more room. Oh, it protects all the way to the top. That's really neat. And the sides. Just like that. And then, oh look, it protects the sides. And it has Velcro right here, so it'll stick to the liner I have right now. Wow. See, I always kick this part with my feet and it makes like little scuffs. So this will be really nice to protect that and this up here. And included is this side too. Can't tell you how much dog hair and stuff will get there sometimes.
Alright, I'm gonna do the passenger side Westliner mat. I'm gonna scoot the seat back a little bit first. And notice there's Velcro on the bottom, which is cool. So I'm gonna start putting this in. It looks like this just fits down. Pull it up a little bit. It sticks good.
They're perfect sizes.
Alright, now the side Velcros, it goes up. Sticks to the side, so you get your whole side of the wall where the console is at guarded. And yeah, the Velcro makes it nice because then it seats in there and sticks to it really well. And it gets the side walls really good as well. And then I'll actually sit down so you can see how it looks. It makes my car look cleaner.
Yeah, I'm gonna go the other side.
So now if I'm sitting and I kick up here, got a lot of protecting, and down here it's got the Velcro so you can stick it to your seats, and then
it's really durable and it fits perfect too.
Yeah, it feels very strong and durable.
I love that part the most.
Yeah,
protecting that.
You always hit this, and now you got this whole wall protecting it. It's really nice.
And it goes kind of
really
deep in there too.
High quality.
So when you're sitting,
yeah, exactly. Now I'm gonna scoot up, and it will still cover.
Like a good length.
Covers really far back.
Yeah.
Like even when I reach down underneath, I can still feel the mat.
It's cool.
Make it easy to clean.
To get all those fries.
Yep.
So this is our before, and I'm starting to sense a trend that somehow this will be protected. But anyway, we're installing these, and just keep in mind that you have to lay them out for a little bit, but we're just installing them right away. So as time goes by, some of those little bumps will go down and will conform better. But overall, they fit like 100% in the Model Y 5-seater.
Alright, we're installing the back mat now. It's probably the biggest one. First time putting it in. And right away, the cool part you can see is it blocks the back heel of your foot hitting the back of the wall where you sit in the back seat. And it gets all the way underneath here. Almost meets up with the one in the front. But right before the vents. So that's kind of cool. And it gets all the spaces here. Really nice. But, you know, like she said, as you let it sit for a while, it will really conform to the floor. And if you just start using it.
And we're gonna tuck this part in. But I can't do it with one hand, so I'll be right back.
The best way to do this is to sit and just push it in, kind of hammer it with your hand. It's soft, not even that hard.
So he's just tucking it in between.
Tuck it in. There's a lip right here underneath your back seat. Just take the edge, put it in, and just do that. And it slowly feeds into the edge.
A lip you didn't know existed in your car.
Yeah.
But now you do. Okay, so the liners are beautiful. They're all custom. It's like they're custom made for our car, for the 5-seater. But overall, we're really excited about them. Can't wait to like have the dogs run through them or something just to give them a try. He's like, don't put the dogs in here. But I'll show you in detail what it looks like. But overall, so far, it's good.
All right, I'm sitting in the back seat and we got the back liner in. Also, I was able to tuck it into the back. I recommend just sitting here and pressing it in from above. That's a lot easier. It just tucks in to the back seat lip. You'll see a little lip in the back. You can tuck it in. It's really simple. And you know, we are just putting these in first day. You're supposed to let them sit out, but honestly, you can already tell that they're already sitting in good. There's like one little spot here that's gonna rest, but let it sit in your car, and the more you use it, I'm sure within the day it will be perfectly conformed to your car. I have to say the front and the back are perfect as well. Very easy to install overall, and they look very high quality, and I'm excited to mess them up and get them dirty if possible. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial that we made, and have a great day.